What are you washing, Nonna?
A chicken. I'm gonna stuff for tonight.
Ooh. That's how you used to wash me when I was a baby? Like that? In the sink?
Nah.
So now you're making stuffing?
Yes.
Ooh. Chop up the onion.
Nah.
Now
I'm
what?
gonna put some chopper meat there.
Chop meat.
Not too much.
Okay. Break it up to pieces. Some salt.
And what?
It's almost empty. We got to refill.
It's done.
This is all done. All right. That's your stuffing?
This aspect. This is my bread now. See
Your
my bread?
Everyone loves your bread.
3 eggs.
Mm-hmm.
You gotta put a little cheese in. Romano cheese.
Perfect amount. You using the spoon today?
It's hot.
All right. Time to stuff.
I don't like the one I buy in the store stuff.
You make your own, right? All right.
Now I'm gonna show you. I had the big needle to
Uh-huh.
sew it, and I
Yeah.
can't find it.
Uh-oh.
Why do like this?
Now you're going to use this?
Then I'm gonna use this.
It's falling out.
Now you watch now.
So is that celery, some onion.
The boggle the white. I gotta put a wine on.
Oh, no. Okay. You got to make the chicken drunk. Ready for the oven.
That's it.
Nonna, is it ready?
Yes, it was so beautiful.
Let me see, Nonna. What is it?
It's stuffed chicken.
You got to save all the juice, right?
Mmm, think it's a jam.
Try it.
The onion is so good.